Hello everyone. Welcome, dear friends, to this channel. In this video, let's talk to you about how you can delete someone from your friends on Snapchat. But before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel and also make sure to put your likes and please write your comments. So let us get started. Please open up Snapchat on your device. Now on the top left you will need to click on your Bitmoji. When you open your account, swipe down it. Please find the Friends section and tap My Friends. You will now see a list of all your friends. To delete someone, please click and hold on that person. After that, please click on this option and select Delete here. Confirm your action. And thus, this person will be deleted from your friends on Snapchat. I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put your likes. See you soon.